everyone, it's Deeki and welcome back to another iMovie tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to animate an iMovie using keyframes. Keyframing is where you move an object around your video frame by frame. As always, if you're new to the channel or if you're a beginner to iMovie editing, you can check out my playlist of previous iMovie tutorials to get caught up. The first thing we're going to do is import the city image into iMovie. I'll have the link to this in the description below. Now you're going to open up your browser and you're going to search for plain flying PNG clip art. Now make sure to find this one. Now save the image to your computer. Now go to this website called remove.bg. And this is a website where you're able to remove the background of any image. Drag and drop the image you just saved. Now click on Edit, Erase/Restore, and then erase these little clouds over here. Now click Download and you're all set to go. Now reopen iMovie and drag and drop the image of the plane without the background. Now make sure you have the top clip selected and you're going to go to this little blue crop icon and you're going to switch it from Ken Burns to crop to fill. Make sure you have the entire plane in the frame. Now repeat the same process with the bottom layer. Go to crop, crop to fill, and now you can adjust which part of the city is in the camera. I want a bit of the trees to be shown, but also some of the buildings and some of the clouds, so I'm going to move my camera down to here. Now go back to this top clip and click on this little overlapping squares icon and change it from cutaway to picture in picture. Now we're able to resize the plane and move it around the screen. I'm going to make the plane a little bit smaller and I'm going to move it a bit out of frame so that it looks like the plane's flying in, and then I'm going to have it fly out of the frame. Make sure to switch this from 0.5 to 0 so that the plane just pops up at the beginning and there's no transition. Now make sure your cursor is at the beginning of the clip and then click on this icon that looks like a diamond. Now move your cursor to another part of the clip and then move the plane to another part in the screen. As you can see, it looks like the plane's flying in. Now keep repeating this process by moving your cursor to another part on the clip, then pressing the diamond, then moving the plane. Now if you play the animation, this is what it looks like. Personally, I don't mind the fact that the plane is a bit glitchy and it stops for a second, slows down, and then speeds up. But if you're not a fan of that style, all you need to do is have one keyframe at the beginning and one keyframe at the end. You don't need all of the other ones in the middle. That way, it's a nice smooth transition. This means that the plane's gonna glide from the beginning all the way to the end without any stops, slowing downs, or speeding ups. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it useful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.